Hey guys, Dan here with Pure Hearts Homestead, and we're out here at Pine Knot Family Farms today. And I'll tell you what, I met these guys at Bobblehead Homestead, and these are two people that it's very rare to meet people like this. So I just want to introduce you to these guys and let them say a word for a second.
Hey guys, I'm Levi.
I'm Tasha.
And we are with Pine Knot Family Farms. And we did meet Dan down at Jeff's at Bobbleheads.
Yeah.
And we can't, I guess, reiterate back to him how much we enjoyed working with him. It was a blessing to see other people that are kind of like-minded and helping people out in need. And it just makes your heart just have so much more faith in mankind anymore.
Amen.
So it's just, we really appreciate Dan coming by today and hope he has a safe trip, and appreciate y'all watching us if you would, and leave comments, questions. We're always about just sharing our life with people. Anything?
No.
And I just want to say they've got a beautiful place here that is just very well manicured, and I'll show y'all some videos of that as well. Thanks, guys.
Here, let me redo ours. Oh, lips are sealed?
Yeah, you better not say
Oh,
that.
I'm not, but I can tease it.
Totally tease it.
All right.
I love that.
Well, they're fixing to hit the road.
Thank y'all
And-
so much. We appreciate y'all.
Y'all go check them out if you haven't. Roots and Refuge and Pure Hearts, Dan.
Pure
I'll leave
Hearts
the links
Homestead.
below.
Yeah.
Cool. Thank y'all so much. Well, we will see you here in a few days.
So look at their garden and their greenhouse set up here. I guess they built this fence here to keep the deer out, would be my guess. I believe I saw on one of their videos. Look at this greenhouse, this is nice. Let's walk through the greenhouse and look at the garden out here.
Yeah, he's got the gimbal and all that. And I'm like, I just want a simple stick. And I left it in the house, so I guess the house is recording.
Hey Dan, he's got a sawmill.
Yeah, that's what I heard, man. I want to go check it out.
Telephone poles.
Yeah,
This is all recycled stuff.
really?
Yeah. Every bit of this fence post, all the laths, everything is.
No kidding.
If we didn't have that, man, and you can't see it, but there's a big clubhouse up in those woods the boys have got. It's about 10, 12 foot up in the air. It's all utility pole stuff.
Really?
Oh wow. Nice.
So you milled all this lumber out of old utility poles?
Mm-hmm.
Wow, that's impressive.
And then we reclaimed those are all. We can't even maintain them here. You know, there's always sickness or something going on. And I said,
I'm like-
throw them out in the wild, and they're like the most beautiful animal you ever
That's what I'm
seen.
saying. But like, do they have like a secret where they pull in? They're like, all right, go ahead and trim my hoof,
Yeah.
trim my hoof, give me my wormer, brush me out.
That's what I just don't understand how it works.
So you enjoying
I'm gonna the big box right there over the door. That's where I've got those vents like you bought. I'm gonna.
Oh,
Be
okay.
powerful
You
enough.
something to-
Every once in a while, we go to
Oh,
the concrete show.
I made the windows I made are 1/8" plexiglass with 1x4, and then I
Every week when we go back to
routed
Vegas,
out
I'm like,
and
"Child,
set the plexiglass in, and then biscuit jointed.
what do you want to go do in Vegas this time?
It's
I'm
not
like, what do you want to do?
lightweight.
You're out of stuff
Right.
today.
And then here, and then another side shed going over those poles. This is where I want to retire at. I want to do big, heavy Ponderosa style furniture. I've got a machine shop in town too, so I've got lasers, plas, anything mills, so we can make the corners and the riveted looking edges and all that stuff. Man, I think that would just, you can build one table a week and make a living.
Sure. Yeah, you could.
But again, all this stuff is just, that's the rough poles that we use, and you can turn them into anything you want to.
Yep.
You talk like, in the residential, man, you can't hardly find like mantles for fireplaces and stuff.
No, they're expensive.
I can cut you out any size you want, you know.
That's the only place you can get them in Little Rock is Cedar Creek.
Yeah.
Massive, off right off 30.
How old is that sawmill there? That's an old wood
That's
miser.
probably 6 or 7 years old.
Oh, is that all?
Yeah.
Yeah.
It's
Nice.
been well used though. Not all my blades are down right now. I had probably about 100 blades stacked up down here at one time that I'd used, but I sent them back to Joplin the other day about a month and a half ago to get them all resharpened.
Yeah.
And so they're back up there in boxes. I forgot, but that whole wall is just full of old used blades at one time. So we try to reclaim those. They're about $6-7 a piece. If you get them sharpened, they're about $30 a piece when you buy them.
You buy 'em.
You hit a couple of cotton pickers spindles, you don't want them.
Oh, I'll bet.
That's a big cedar block at 8x8 pole sitting up down there.
Uh-huh.
That's just some cedar I had down here. A lot of our stuff, you see all these pine logs, the big square stumps out here.
Yeah.
I just debark them, set them out here and let them dry.
Yep.
And then when we don't hardly do any softwood like that unless
Yeah.
I'm doing trim work or something for me and my cabin up there or something. We did a whole wall in pine, yellow pine, knotty pine, and
Yeah.
we'll saw it out. And then I've got 3 planers up here. We'll just run it through a planer. And
Right.
I got a little joiner table and make 3 of them out of it or whatever. But that's what I just let it sit up there. That's my kill.
Right.
Let it naturally dry.
Yeah, let it air dry.
You can see
That's the best way anyway.
you can get anything you want. I mean, as far as size wise, I can go up to 28 or 30 for 30 square.
Really?
Yeah.
Wow. I was
When you
wondering.
buy them, they only come with like 2 sections of bed here.
Yeah. I was wondering how much you'd gotten. I thought it was looking around 30
I've
feet.
got almost 40 feet that I
Yeah.
cut here.
40 feet?
Yeah. This is
Wow.
all LVL beam that I had off of a job that we did.
Right.
And that's what everything else in here, which all the sides, you can tell that's all milled lumber, but the
Yeah.
rafters and that I had off of the deal we done, which that front beam is all sawmill stuff, but
Gotcha.
I wanted this big opening back here where I could get my logs and stuff in here to the
Yeah,
mill.
yeah.
And again, eventually the ideal is to bring it in here, mill it, take it to the next level, process it, and the next level would just be storage of other kind of lumber, you know,
Right,
whatever you
right.
want. Keep it in the dry.
That's nice.
But like to get table saws and routers and
Oh, yeah.
everything in the world set up down there.
This is
But it's
Wow. Look at that.
Man, I could live there.
I was gonna say, just move in. Are those vinyl windows?
yeah. I've got we do a lot of work through different lumber companies here, so
Yeah.
when I tell them mix and match, that stuff people sent back, I bought them for like $25 a piece.
Yeah.
They're $150 window, you know.
Yep.
But you can look, man, all this stuff here is all milled stuff.
Right.
All the floor joists.
All of it,
I use Advantech decking for the floor, but
of course. OSB on the sheathing.
yeah, and then we went back. That's utility pole siding.
Yeah, I see that.
My wife hates my ladder. I said, man, you gotta have a straight up and down ladder for it to be a tree house. She wants a long set of steps.
Right.
Just take it and get it finished.
Yeah.
When the leaves are off, you got a beautiful view.
Look at that. Yeah. That is nice. I want to build something like this for my girls.
Yeah.
But I also want to have a drawbridge going over to a smaller area.
Levi and Tasha were gracious enough to loan a trailer to Jess and Jeremiah, and they're getting it loaded up now.
Hello. Okay, yeah, no, they're pouring today, Danny. Yeah. Yeah, no, they're pouring today, so you should be good to go. Hi, man.
Sharply catch on that.
You guys, I just want y'all to see their farm out here. This is it's an absolutely gorgeous place. Well manicured. And looks like they've got all kinds of birds here. So the turkeys are beautiful. chicken coop here. And I just want to do a panorama of the farm here. How beautiful this place is. Just absolutely gorgeous.